Mr. Jarvis, I think you'll find those 2 milk bottles are for me. Thank you. What a beautiful, peaceful day. Peaceful. That's a word you don't hear around here very often. Perfect for the way to work.
Police today warned local residents to be on guard following a series of burglaries in the area. They advise everyone to take all possible care and to fit locks and alarms wherever possible.
Burglars. Let's sort them out. You want to be very careful, Gordon. You want to be very, very careful popping up like that. These are razor sharp, these hands. I could have had your head off. No, you can't use a stereo. Because I've got it on, that's why. What's this? Les Gophson, the funniest gopher in the world. Great. We'll tell one of his jokes then. These 2 gophers. One says to the other, how many ferrets does it take to change a light bulb? And the other one says none because ferrets don't have light bulbs. Well, oh, careful. Oh, I'm splitting my sides to that one. That's possibly the funniest thing I've ever heard, I don't think. Dear me. I tell you what, Gordon, somehow, I just can't see him making the big time, can you? Can you? Where's my Walkman? Sworn I put it down there. Burglars. That's what it is, burglars. They've climbed up the side of the building, they've crept in through the French windows, and they've stolen my Walkman. Why didn't they take anything else? Because they heard me coming, that's why they were afraid to tangle with my razor-sharp hands. They come back. They could come back and steal everything. Locks and alarms. That's what I need. Locks and alarms. That should do it. Hello, Glenda. How are you? Bit depressed? Oh, dear. Got something to cheer you up then in that case. A little gopher joke. You ready? There were these 2 gophers, and one says to the other, how many ferrets does it take to change a light bulb? And the other one says, none. Ferrets don't have light bulbs. There's a laugh. What? Great. Well, Gordon thought it was funny. I expect you had to be there.
Phillip on set in 1 minute, please.
That's the last time I tell anyone one of Gordon's jokes. Hiya, Bert.
Is he supposed to be funny?
I don't know.
I could do better than that. Here, listen to this. This will kill you. There was this duck, giraffe, and hamster. No, hang on. There's a goose, a giraffe, and a hamster.
Yeah.
Anyway, they were on this.
Good.
They were on this bus.
Were they? Yeah.
No, it was a train. No, hang on. It was a boat. They were on a boat.
Great.
And the giraffe was on there rowing away on the boat, going along with 3 of them.
Great. Funny that. Very funny. Very, very funny.
And the giraffe says to the hamster, or was it the hamster talking to the duck? Well, they were definitely talking to each other, I know that much. So the duck said, he said, don't ask me, I gave it to the hippopotamus. Or was it the giraffe?
You cheered up a bit, Glenda. We've just seen the joke. What? The ferret and the light bulb joke? Oh, you just got it? Oh, great, that was quick. Good. I tell you what, Glenda, why don't you pop outside and have a word with Bert? Get him to tell you one of his. We've got an hour or two to spare. There we go. Look at that. What a system. Anyone tries to break in now, they'll set that lot off. Police will be here in no time at all to catch them. Just brilliant. What's that? Gordon! Gordon! Can you open the doors, please? You've locked me out. Gordon, you've locked me out. You've got the Walkman. Gordon, open the doors. There weren't any burglars after all. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. What a waste of money that's been. Gordon, open... I don't believe it. I don't believe it! Gordon, open the door! Open this door!
Burglars, eh? Right. We'll soon sort them out. Police! Open this door!
Mr. Jarvis! Mr. Jarvis, can you give me a hand, please?
Come on, open this door. Right. If that's your game, we're just going to have to play rough. All right, matey, you're next.
Heavens for that, I'm trying to get in. The remote is on the back of the sofa. Crazy to get out of the outlet for about 3/4 of an hour. It's starting to snow.
And where you're going, matey,
Hang on.
you're not going to get out.
Wait a second. I'm Phillip Schofield. This is my flat.
Well, if you're Phillip Schofield, I'm Gordon the Gopher.
Gordon, would you like to tell her, please? Gordon, could you tell her? What have you done there? That's pink dynasty, that is. Gordon, would you please tell her who I am?